Thank you, Preeti, for the introduction. I'm going to talk about the NutriCharge Pro diet. I have used this supplement myself to begin with, and after using it, I really like the supplement. I've seen that the lean body mass really increases and it reduces your fat levels to a certain extent. So that's a good point about the NutriCharge Pro diet. Why is proteins important? कोई बता सकता है कि proteins क्यों ज़रूरी है? Yes. Building blocks of the body, yes. Apart from that.
Body के अंदर जितने भी tissues हैं,
correct.
वो अगर breakage आता है तो उसको फिर repair करने के लिए protein की जरूरत होती है.
Correct. So daily अपने body में repair, maintenance चालू रहता है, and for that protein is very important. Along with that, your skin, your hair, your nails, everything will require proteins. हर एक मसल टिश्यूज या जो स्नायु होते हैं ये प्रोटीन से बने हुए होते हैं. तो अगर प्रोटीन नहीं है आपके डाइट में तो यू कैन इमेजिन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ साइड इफेक्ट्स जो हो सकते हैं, या योर मसल कुड बी वीक, यू मे नॉट हैव अ प्रॉपर बॉडी फ्रेम, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अदर इश्यूज कैन ऑल्सो crop up. This our diet becomes heavier or rich in fats and carbohydrates, and we miss out on the vital proteins. Proteins, there are a lot of vegetarian options. In general, अगर आप देखेंगे तो प्रोटीन की requirement 1 gram per kg ideal body weight है. So suppose if my ideal body weight is 55, I need roughly 55 grams of proteins in a day. And that I'll only get it from my breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinners, whatever I'm taking on a day-to-day basis. Again, अगर protein नहीं रहता है आपके खाने में, so what all can happen? There is स्फूर्ति का अभाव, या फिर आपको कमज़ोरी, weakness, cramps, पैरों में मूंगी चढ़ना, irritability या जिसको चिड़चिड़ापन कहते हैं, your mood swings. There could also be things like, you know, जो घाव है उसकी रूज बराबर से नहीं आती है, the wound healing is impaired. There could also be low immunity. आपकी रोग प्रतिकारक क्षमता कमज़ोर हो सकती है अगर आप बराबर से प्रोटीन नहीं ले रहे. And there are a lot of other things like बाल thin हो सकते हैं, there could be skin eruptions, your skin could look dull, and a lot of other things could happen. Your muscle mass goes down, your body fat increases अगर आपके खाने में proteins नहीं है. NutriCharge Pro diet is basically a high protein. It is made from soya, and soy is one of the very good proteins which has good biological value protein. एक PDCAS करके score रहता है, so soy का is close to 1. That means that it is a very good product to begin with. Again, how you need to use it is just use 1 scoop, mix it in a glass of water. शक्कर अगर आपको requirement है तो you can always add. And you know, you're getting a good amount of proteins in your diet. It's very simple and easy to use on a day-to-day basis. So, you know, anyone can basically take it. There is no such contraindications as such. Again, 40 grams will give you, 40 grams of the NutriCharge powder will give you close to 25 grams of protein. So that has to be borne in mind. You don't need to really worry कि protein मेरा खाने में से भी आएगा, नॉनवेज में से भी आएगा और सप्लीमेंट में से भी आएगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाए. As I said, इंडिया में नॉर्मली प्रोटीन्स की मात्रा कम रहती है खाने में. So, you know, if you're seeing symptoms where you are having more of fat percentage, less of body muscle mass and other things like thinning of hair and low immunity, you can very well include a high pro diet, I mean a NutriCharge Pro diet. To sum up, it's a combination of soy protein and it has dietary fibers also. So the dietary fibers also play a good role. It helps you in keeping your constipation away. It also helps you in getting your cholesterol levels down. It is good for the heart. It also, the proteins in that will keep a check on the bone loss for the elderly people. And, you know, other than that, weight management and also improving your sugar levels. So combining the goodness of soy protein as well as dietary fiber, I give a thumbs up to this product, NutriCharge Pro Diet. Thank you.